gonna get some concealer on here. Ooh. Poppin'. My brows gonna be poppin'. How you gon' beg me to stay when you ain't like me that way? Should've minded your business. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a quick get ready with me. I have this new product I want to try. It's called Wunder Brow, and I've been wanting to try this, I think since high school, like back in 2014. So this is the Wunder Brow, and I got it at TJ Maxx for $4.99. I can never show anything on this light because it's always so bright. But yeah, I got it for $4.99 at TJ Maxx, and it usually, like when I was looking for it back in the day, it was like $20, $25. So it's supposed to be like a semi-permanent eyebrow gel, hence why my eyebrows aren't filled in. It says Wunder Brow one-step brow gel, perfect eyebrows that last for days with Permafix technology. Wunder Brow is the complete one-step solution to thicker, more beautiful eyebrows. Our Permafix gel technology locks color and tiny hair fibers to the skin, giving you thicker, more defined brows that are smudge-proof and transfer-proof and waterproof for up to 3 days. Okay. So the instructions say, apply Wunder Brow to a clean, dry brow, free from other makeup or moisturizer. Start filling in the sparse spots with short feathery strokes with the applicator or an angled brow brush as desired. Once applied, soften the product by grooming the brow upwards and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and that's it. It's just like any other brow gel, I guess, but it's just supposed to stay on longer. And we're gonna test that theory. Oops. I'm gonna be going a bunch of places today. So this is the applicator, and I don't really know why this would be the applicator, but that's cool. I'm gonna just use my angled brow brush instead of this because that just looks like a disaster waiting to happen. So let's lay this wig and let's get into this Wunder Brow. Hey guys, so I decided to do this video in 2 parts because I realized like some people might not care about me laying my wig, especially because I'm not good at it. So I'm done with the wig for now. I'm gonna do makeup, and we're gonna try this Wunder Brow product. See, this hair, this wig, terrible. Sheds all the time. So we're gonna move on to the Wunder Brow portion of the video. Yeah, I'm just gonna start the first video I post here because, like I said, people might not care about me and my wig. So this is the Wunder Brow. Yeah, I'm kind of scared because if it's permanent and my brows are messed up, I can't fix it because it's permanent. Well, it's not permanent, but my brows will just be messed up for 3 days. So I have to be very careful. Get some micellar water. I like this, but when I try to remove makeup from my eyes, it's really hard. Like, I be scrubbing my lashes off sometimes, trying to get the mascara off, and I don't like that. It should not be that difficult. If you're supposed to remove the makeup, you remove the makeup. Like, I don't know what's up with this. But I was talking about Lil Wayne in a point in this video. But yeah, he posted a picture with Donald Trump, which I don't know why. I don't know why these rappers do this. They just showing their asses. They just showing them full frontal, y'all. Okay. So, it's just sad because, you know, I've been stopped messing with Lil Wayne after he made the comments about dark-skinned women and all that colorism stuff. Like, I just... With the way he looks, I don't know why he's so comfortable talking about other people, especially women. I don't understand. Anyway, and his daughter is dark-skinned. His first daughter is dark-skinned. Reginae is dark-skinned. Toya, his first baby mom, dark-skinned. Oh, that's what he was saying. He said he would never, I guess, make a baby with another dark-skinned woman, which, all right, bro, like... Okay, so here we go. I'm really scared. But you just apply this like you apply any other product. You just take your angle brush. Take your angle brush. Do not apply with this applicator because I don't know what they thought this was going to do. But I can see it wasn't going to do nothing for me. You can try it if you want to, but I wouldn't suggest. Not bad. The smell's kind of weird. Okay. I might go in with another coat. I'm just really trying to play it safe with this because, if it lasts for 3 days like it say it do, no problems. Not bad at all. If you're like me, like I have eyebrow hair, but it's very thin. Like I have a shape, I have all that. Like I have the shape, I just don't have the thickness. So it's really, it's just hard. Like I wish I could just not have to do this all the time, but I have to. I actually like how realistic these look. They're pretty realistic. They're not angled like I want them, but it's alright. They're more like a natural brow. Which once I get used to the product and how much I need to use and whatnot, I feel like we can go for a bolder look. But for right now, we're doing the minimum. But yeah, so I guess Lil Wayne is canceled. Which he should have been canceled back when he had said what he said about Black Lives Matter. It was really ignorant. And this was back, I feel like this was back when Mike Brown happened. This was back when Mike Brown happened. And it was just really insensitive, you know, since he makes all this money off. It's just, he makes all this money, oh my gosh, off of black people, and you want to say that? Honestly, he should have been canceled then. Because it's ridiculous that these black celebrities get famous, get money, and then switch up. Oh, I guess I should put it this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. Actually, I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna go in with my pencil after this. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it, but there's nothing right with it either. It looks gray. Okay, I will say, alright, that is really not going anywhere. I wish it was a little darker. It gives off like a gray look that I don't like. But them brows is not going nowhere. Nowhere. I think I'm gonna go in with my pencil just to give them a more like color. Give them more of a brown black. It's really looking gray. Oh my God. Bruh. They don't want me to be great. Okay, I like it. Let me get some concealer on here. Ooh. Poppin'. My brows gonna be poppin'. They should do a Wunder Brow pencil. That's what they should do. Pencil. Oh. One day, I'm gonna do this Wunder Brow when I like work out and play tennis and stuff and see how it really works. It kind of looks like, oh, I don't know if I like that. Let's see what we can do with this concealer because they're not the usual shape I draw them in. And that is not good. They're more realistic, but they're not snatched like I usually like them. But they'll do. Oh, I need to put primer on. Like, girl, where your brain at? Where your brain at? Yeah, this one's bothering me. But, you know, it's okay. It's all right. Oh, I got this new primer. LA girl. I only got it because it was cheap. And I'm on a budget. I'm on a budget. What? Okay. I mean, they're not bad. But this brow always pisses me off, like without fail. Always. Can never act right. I mean, not bad. Not bad at all. And they look like kind of real, like real eyebrow hairs. So, I'm gonna take a picture after I get ready because you guys don't need to see my makeup routine. It's really basic. Like, you don't need to see it. But, pros and cons. Pros is that it doesn't move. Like, you can feel it hard. You can kind of feel it hardening on your brows. It's not too like heavy. I mean, you have to be light-handed. I was light-handed with it, but yeah, it's not bad. I think I need to go to TJ Maxx and buy some more because you know how TJ Maxx like has just whatever they have, and when they don't have it no more, they just don't bring it back. They don't have like a set product that they keep. So I probably need to go back and buy some more so I can be stocked up on it. But the cons, the things I didn't like about this product is one, like the gray color that it dries on. Did that sentence make sense? I don't like how it dries on gray. Didn't like that. I did have to go in with my pencil, as you saw, but oh, I don't like the applicator. I do not like the applicator at all. Like, make sure you have an angled brow brush, which everybody who's like somewhat serious about makeup has one. So just make sure you use your angled brow brush. Do not use this applicator they give. Things that can be improved, some ideas, I think that they should definitely make a pencil for this. Because I like brow pencils. I don't really use brow pomades anymore because a brow pencil gives like a more realistic look and you can like mimic the strokes with a brow pencil more. So I feel like this product would be even better if it had a pencil. And you heard it from me. So if they come out with it, because it was my idea, okay? Well, okay guys, I'm gonna come back later after I'm done with all my makeup and done with all my little light glam I'm doing for today. And yeah. Hey guys, so this is my final look. I just did some light makeup because I'm in Florida and it's hot and there's no reason to have a whole bunch of makeup caked on my face. But yeah, brows are holding up really well. So I feel like this product is a must buy. Like if you are like me and you have thin, faint eyebrow hair, this could really take your eyebrows to the next level. So I would definitely suggest this product. Okay, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you guys have any more products you want me to try. Yeah, I could do a tutorial and a review for you.